What's up, everybody? Jeremiah here with On the Spot Window Cleaning, servicing some of the most exclusive properties here on the central coast of California in San Luis Obispo County, coming to you with a little message about our purified water window cleaning. It is the absolute best results we can possibly offer because with purified water, it rinses away all the minerals, all of the deposits, all the salt, all the dirt, everything gets rinsed away and there's nothing whatsoever left on the glass. No fine soapy residue that might come from a traditional squeegee, although we can make windows look incredibly good with a traditional squeegee. Purified water is the absolute best when it comes to making sure your windows have no residue and everything, all the dirt, all the grime is rinsed away. And because there's no minerals in the water, it's spot free. Everything looks perfect when we're all done. I like my window cleaners to be on ladders with their nose to the glass. Sometimes we hear that, oh, our previous window cleaner, he used a 40-foot ladder to get up there. Ladders are one of the riskiest things that window cleaners use. There's many ladder falls throughout the country and deaths unfortunately do occur because of ladder falls. As a matter of fact, it's because of a severe ladder fall that I had that we diverted our attention to purified water window cleaning methods. It's safer, but it also has better results than traditional squeegee because there's no residue left behind. What is purified water window cleaning? We use something to purify the water, either reverse osmosis or deionization. Some people use distilled water. Whatever it is, the end result is pure water. There's little to no minerals in the water at all, so that when it dries after a complete rinse, it dries spot free. What is this window cleaner doing? He's not even squeegeeing off the window. He left it wet. Have you wondered that? Will you wonder that when we come to your house and clean your windows? Why did you leave the window wet and say you were done? We'll do a whole house sometimes and maybe the windows haven't dried yet and we'll be completely finished. But a customer like yourself might be concerned, well, you didn't squeegee off the glass or it's still wet. It's not gonna look right when we're all done. The purified water, after we've scrubbed the window, agitated all the dirt off and rinsed it all off with pure water, no minerals, no spots are left behind. And even though the window might still be wet, when it dries all the way, it'll be spot free and have no residue whatsoever. It'll look perfect. Some customers are concerned that we're using high pressure to clean the windows, and that's just not the case. What we're using typically is either tap pressure coming out of your house, which is usually around 60 to 80 PSI. A pressure washer, a solid pressure washer usually starts around 1500 or 1500 PSI, and it goes up to 4000 or even more. So that's not what we're using. We're using either tap pressure, again between 60 and 80 PSI, or sometimes we use pumps. Like in our van, we have a truck mounted system that we have a pump. Those pumps also run usually between 60 and 80 PSI as we use them. So we're not using high pressure. What we do have are jets that fan out the water so it streams evenly across all the windows, or we might use smaller pencil type jets that just kind of hit pinpoint areas. Either way, it's not high pressure, so we're not causing any damage to the windows or doors as we clean them. You may recognize some of these developments in the back. Beautiful homes here on the Central Coast. There's one gated community at the end of Shell Beach called the Bluffs. We've done probably a majority of those houses over the lifetime of the community, and many of them we service regularly now. You know what system we use for all of those? Purified water window cleaning for the exterior. It gets all of the salt off, it rinses everything down, there's no minerals left behind, the windows look perfect, and it's safer than traditional window cleaning when we don't have to use ladders to get to heights to clean those windows. And yet our customers there, who you can imagine are very particular about the results, love our service. We guarantee amazing results. Purified water window cleaning is the best in cleaning.